So this is how you can stop Snapchat notifications on your Apple Watch. Let's get started. So for this, you will not even use the Apple Watch itself, as everything has to be managed through the iPhone. So on a paired iPhone, open up the watch application and just get inside of the settings, right? So this is like the place where you control everything. And in here, just tap on notifications, and basically the first list of the apps will be the actual apps installed on the Apple Watch. For this, you can tweak some specific settings. And since Snapchat isn't available directly on the Apple Watch, it will be part of the second list of apps, which are basically apps available for notifications on the watch without a dedicated app on the watch. So hopefully that makes sense, right? So you can have them on your iPhone only, but they can still deliver notifications to the watch. And if you have Snapchat in here, then it just means that it will deliver notifications from the iPhone and just turn it off in here, right? So that just means that the Apple Watch will no longer get the notifications, but this doesn't affect the iPhone. The iPhone notification settings are separate and they will stay there as you wish. You can tweak them on the actual iPhone settings app. That's a different place. But for the Apple Watch, you can turn it off and you will ensure that they will not get pushed over to the watch. So that's pretty simple. Hopefully you managed to fix it. Let me know below in the comments if there are some things which you encounter on the way or some things which just don't add up. Let me know about that in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.